Hello, Chef here. I got two really nice ripe strawberries. I'm going to give you a quick garnish. So the first one is just going to be cutting this baby in half, leaving the stem on. Put that on someone's plate like that. Very, very simple. You must agree. And the next one here is going to be sliced by removing the stem. This knife is so nice. I'm just going to slice it like this. One strawberry bursting out. What do you think? Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, support your sponsor, and get one of these cool turbo knives. Baby is razor sharp, ergonomic, balanced perfectly, made in Germany from a special super steel, designed by F.A. Porsche. It's basically a work of art. Have a great day.